So a very good afternoon from quite a local park for us. It's of course Drayton Manor. I'm joined by Oscar today, where we're going to head on hopefully all the rides. Fingers crossed. It looks quite busy, don't it?
Yeah, very busy.
Yeah, we did just queue to get into the park. You saw the queue in the footage there, and it looks like quite a busy day. But of course it's bank holiday, and it's of course the Queen's Jubilee. So I'm expecting it to be pretty busy. What ride are we heading to first? Apocalypse. And of course Vikings. We're going to be checking out Vikings, the new area today. But that'll be in a separate vlog, which of course you can watch by just clicking the link up there. It's an amazing area with so many new rides and a lot of theming. So yeah, we're going to head straight to Apocalypse. Intamin Drop Tower, but it's leaving this year. Well, at the end of this season. What do you think to that?
Terrible. I think they're going to get a new roller coaster there, but then there's not going to be a drop tower.
Yeah.
Loads of roller coasters, no drop tower.
It's a shame really. Apocalypse is my favourite flat ride in the UK, and it always has been. It's got a special place as well, because we always come here when we were really little as well. We used to go on Apocalypse, Maelstrom, all of these, so it will be sad to see it go. However, hopefully we'll be getting a new coaster in that place. So go over to Apocalypse, we're going to head back over to Shockwave, and then we'll do the rest of the rides of attractions here at Drayton Manor. Let's head to Apocalypse. Oscar is running to Apocalypse. I think we're going to be the first riders on it. And here we go. You can hear the bleeping, Oscar. Are you excited for it? Look at him running. Look. I'll have to keep up with him now. My stamina's not that good. Look at him running. Right, next ride is Apocalypse. Oh, we're not the first. We are one of the first here at Drayton Manor. Right, let's head on Apocalypse. Intamin Drop Tower, which opened in 2000. So what are we in the queue for then, Oscar?
Accelerator.
Formerly known as Ben 10. Do you enjoy this one?
Yeah, it's really good. The theming's very good.
Yeah, I've put a few clips of the theme in now, but it is quite nice. Do you prefer it as Ben 10 or Accelerator?
Ben 10, I just like sponsors.
Yeah, I think there's still a few little hints to Ben 10 though, isn't it? Like, where were we?
The symbol, yeah, there's a Ben 10 symbol.
But nonetheless, we're going to take a ride on Accelerator. I haven't been on this for about 2 years now. It's not one that I normally do because it's got quite a big queue. We're in here now, it's not that big of a queue. And then we'll head on Accelerator. Let's go. So you can see it just above us, which is about to drop. We just had a brilliant ride over on Accelerator, the first boomerang coaster ever. And how was it, Oscar?
Good, very good. I love that it goes backwards.
Yeah, it does go quite slow backwards though. I did notice. Yeah. You're going forward much quicker, but obviously that's because you've got those kicker wheels pushing you down. But it's still a good ride, weren't it? Yeah. What are we going on next then?
Shockwave.
Shockwave, Intamin stand-up roller coaster. One of my first main thrill coasters as well here at the park. But really enjoyed Accelerator. It's got some really nice theming around it as well, hasn't it? Yep. Still got a few hints to Ben 10, but we'll leave that up to Drayton Manor to fix. But yeah, really good ride. Later on we're going to head into Vikings as well. That won't be in this vlog. You can check out the other one if you do want to see Vikings. So I think we'll head over to Adventure Cove, of course, the brand new area for 2021. So heading into the new area for 2021 here at Drayton Manor, which is of course Adventure Cove, which is basically a re-theme of some previous rides that were here, such as Maelstrom, Stormforce 10, Shockwave, but also the addition of Wave Swinger and Tidal Towers, of course. 2 new attractions here at Drayton Manor, which you can check out. You can see Wave Swinger over the distance there. However, today we're going to be heading on Shockwave. Currently Stormforce 10 isn't open, however I think it will open at 11 o'clock, so hopefully we can get on that a little bit later on in the vlog. But yeah, looking over there at Shockwave, doesn't the station for this ride look amazing? Looks so fresh, repainted, and it just looks so much better, because before it was literally basically like an unthemed shed. So it's nice to see this area getting the love that it deserves, really. And the looping group are really doing well with Drayton Manor. I can't wait to see the future investments, hopefully a new coaster in the next few years. So where are we, Oscar?
The River Rapids.
These opened back in 2021, are they good?
Yeah, they're good, but they've got a little less good, I should say.
A little less intense after, of course, what happened.
An incident.
Yeah. But it's still really good rapids. Nice to see them that they've actually reopened though, because I never thought they were going to reopen. Of course, they're really nicely themed. I mean, look at all the paintwork around it. It looks really nice. And hopefully, are the waterfalls on today? We don't know. We'll have a little look when we go around, but hopefully they're on, because they're a really good part of the ride. Let's head on.
Let's go.
So we've just been on River Rapids, of course, the re-themed ride for 2021. How was it?
Good, yeah.
Nice relaxing ride, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Not as intense as it used to be, definitely not. Definitely toned that down. And guess what? What wasn't working?
The waterfalls.
Come on, Drayton Manor, turn the sprinkler things back on. It was quite cool. Even though you didn't get that wet, it was still like a big feature of the ride, I thought. And yeah, really good operations on there. How long was the queue?
Literally a minute.
A minute, yeah, at least you waited about a minute. So today, it's not actually that busy. I'll show you around. Look, there's barely anyone around. I think everyone's checking out the new area, Vikings, which of course we'll be checking out. Once again, and do a little sneaky promo, click the link above, and you'll be able to see Vikings, a tour around that area. Next up, we're gonna head on Maelstrom. Yeah, this is a gyro swing that I really do love. One of my favorite flat rides in the UK. Let's head on. So we've just taken a ride on the 2002 Intamin gyro swing, that of course being Maelstrom. How was it, Oscar?
Great, great. It's really good.
Yeah.
The breeze was good. But
Yeah.
It was just a bit of a long time.
Yeah, how long did we wait for that? About an hour, was it?
Yeah, well.
Yeah, and the thing about today is it's quite sunny, but then the sun goes in for like a minute, and the sun is in it now. We'll come back out and it'll be really hot, won't it? Like Oscar's boiling, he's just had a drink. But we're gonna head over to Vikings now. That'll be in a different vlog, so stay tuned on the channel when that one does come out. But and then we're probably gonna go on, where do you wanna go after that? Maybe the Haunting, go inside for a bit to cool off. And yeah, and we'll carry on with our day here at Drayton Manor Park. Right, let's head over to the Haunting. So we've just been on the Haunting, of course, of a Vekoma Madhouse located here at Drayton Manor. Now I've got one question for you, Oscar. Was it the scariest place under one roof?
Negative.
Negative.
It was not.
Did you not feel any paranormal activity?
Well, there was.
There was paranormal
I don't want to
activity.
spoil anything.
Yeah, we're not going to give you any hints, but there was a few little kids crying in there, weren't there?
Yeah.
And if you've ever been on Haunting, you'll know this classic line. Are you all ready to continue? That's it. That's the classic line. But next up, we're going to get some food from Fun Foods, get a bubble waffle, and we'll have a little look at it as well. So let's go and get some food. So Oscar, what are you getting from Fun Foods?
Probably bubble waffle with ice cream and chocolate sauce.
And what else? Any drinks?
Maybe tango?
Yeah, tango ice blast.
Yeah.
So we've just bought a bubble waffle and a tango ice blast. The bubble waffles were £4.95. And how were they, Oscar?
I don't think they're that good. They were cold, and I didn't have any ice cream on mine. They were cold, and they just weren't that good. Anyway, I'm not getting what I get.
You had chocolate sauce in it, right?
Yeah.
And then you had the ice cream on the side,
Yeah.
and it wasn't warm.
Yeah.
Well, there you go.
The tango ice blast was good though. The only thing good there.
I quite enjoyed my bubble waffle, to be honest. Because obviously I had ice cream in mine with Oreo, I got the Oreo one, and it was quite nice, to be honest, but I do understand where Oscar's coming from. The waffle wasn't hot. Obviously it was mine, I had Mr. Whippy in it, so obviously the Mr. Whippy's going to make it cold, but with Oscar's, he literally had a plain waffle essentially with chocolate sauce on, and it wasn't hot, so Oh well, there you go. Don't buy the bubble waffles, although I did quite like mine. Had a Tango Ice Blast, that was good, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Can't beat a Tango Ice Blast, although they are very expensive. Next up though, we're going to head to Air Race. This wasn't open previously in the day. It's literally opened about an hour ago. So we're going to head to Air Race, head on that, and then we'll probably do Shockwave. Let's go. So we've just been on Air Race course, opened back in 2015 here at Drayton Manor, and how was it?
Good, yeah, but the streets kind of digged into my thigh and it hurt a bit.
Yeah, they aren't the comfiest. I thought they were quite bulky, a bit like Infusion at Blackpool Pledge Beach if you've ever visited Blackpool. But yeah, quite an enjoyable ride. Guess how long we waited? Not half an hour, not 1 hour, not 1 hour and 30 minutes. We waited 2 hours. Quite long, wasn't it? Not good, and they only had about 2 staff members on that. They need enough, I think they need at least 2 on the ride platform to be loading, checking the restraints, and 1 in the op box. So I think they need more staff here at Drayton Manor, but nonetheless it was still a pretty good ride on Air Race. Next up though, we're going to go on the stand-up roller coaster, the only one in the UK and 1 of 2 in Europe. What is it, Oscar?
Shockwave.
Let's go, shall we? It's more of a shockwave in here, isn't it? How long have we queued, Oscar?
A year.
A year? Don't think it's been that long, has it?
Yeah, it has.
Has it has? Has it been a year? Oh, okay, so are we in 2022? Drayton Manor got a new coaster now?
Oh no, it's 2023.
Oh, sorry, yeah, 2023, oh, sorry.
Yeah.
2023?
Yeah.
Is Apocalypse gone then?
Yeah, it's gone.
Can you tell us what's the next roller coaster?
Well, it's called Smiler.
It's called Smile. I recognise that. Is that from, what's it called?
Drayton Manor bought it from Alton Towers.
So now they're the world record.
Yeah, so Alton Towers are gone now. They've just vanished.
Oh, have they?
Vanished. Now Drayton Manor is the big boy park.
It's a big boy park now?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. There we go. Future predictor. What's happening to Alton Towers next year? Are they still got the retro spot?
No, it's just vanished. Everything's. Merlin sold Alton Towers. Sold it. And the people who got it just vanished with it. Just vanished.
Well, there we go. Future predictor. So we've just been on the Intamin Drop Tower Apocalypse. How was it, Oscar, as our last ride of the day?
Good. Yeah.
Was it worth that huge run that you ran like a marathon to get there?
100%.
Was it worth it?
Yeah, definitely.
Sit down or stand up? Actually, stand up wasn't open today. There was only 1 tower out of 5 operating, which is not good, is it, for throughput? No. Not good. 1 out of 5 drop towers working on a drop tower is not good. It's definitely the end of the life for Apocalypse. We're going to finish our day by getting a Tango Ice Blast, and then just having a little look around Vikings, of course the new area for 2022. That'll be all in a separate vlog. This is the third promo, but click the link up above and you'll be able to see that vlog. But yeah, we're gonna head into Vikings and then we'll finish our vlog just outside here. But it's been a good day, hasn't it?
Yeah.
And we'll tell you all about the opening hour story, 'cause that is a long story. We'll talk about that when we get out of the park. So I finished my day here at Drayton Manor, just outside the entrance logo. And talking about logos, have you seen their new logo? What do you think to it? What do you think to it, Oscar?
The old one has more detail than the new one, so I prefer the old one.
Yeah, I think the old one definitely shows more that it's a theme park, don't you think?
Yeah.
But we'll leave that debate in the comments. What do you think to the new logo? But today, it's had a really good day, haven't we?
Yeah.
Been on how many rides?
Approximately 7.
Approximately
I think.
7. So yeah, quite a few rides done today. And I've heard that it was a sellout day today. It's one of the busiest days I've had all season. So it's really good to Drayton Manor for doing that. And of course they are short staffed, so hats off to the staff. They're doing the best job they can. Even though the throughput isn't the best, they are trying as hard as they can, because a lot of the rides were definitely short staffed, like on Loki. Yep, said it right that time. Did I get like an award or something?
Yeah, pat on the back.
There we go, said it right. Watch the Vikings vlog to understand that. But yeah, definitely Loki was understaffed. I thought like Air Race was pretty understaffed as well. But overall it's been a really good day. And in terms of opening times, we got here thinking that it was going to be open till like 4:30 or something.
Yeah, something like
Half
that.
4, and then we got here and we saw the entrance board said 6:30. So
Good,
that was like
good.
really good. And then I looked on their Twitter page and then they're like 7.
My mind exploded then.
Yeah, his mind exploded. He needed a Tango Ice Blast after that to cool it down. But yeah, overall it's been a fantastic day. I can't fault it at all. Drayton Manor Park, get yourselves down here. Was it good?
Yeah, 100%. I'll give it 8.5, maybe 9 out of 10.
Maybe 9, yeah. I think that just the throughput could be improved on all the rides. However, the longest queue that we had today was 2 hours. The shortest queue that we had today was walk-on. We got straight to the park, headed straight to Apocalypse, headed straight to Accelerator. We got on those basically walk-on, didn't we? Minute, 5 minutes. But overall, it's been a brilliant day here at Drayton Manor. Car parking is £6, not too bad at all. You can either pay online or pay by the vending machines just outside the park. Would you be coming back?
Yes, 100%, definitely.
It's a great park here at Drayton Manor. You've got to check out the new Vikings area as well. And if you do want to see that little cheeky promo, hit the link above and you'll see it. Yeah, there we go. That concludes my day here at Drayton Manor. If you did enjoy the video, what do they need to do?
Like and subscribe.
Yeah, there we go. And that concludes my day. If you did enjoy the video, do consider subscribing, as I make theme park content every week for you to enjoy. And with all that said and done, thank you for watching Theme Park Enthusiast.
See you soon.